Hi Evan.
Hi Becca.
So you've been Undeb president now for 2 years. What's been your biggest challenge so far?
I'd say my biggest challenge has been writing a strategic plan for Bangor and shaping how the union works with the university to ensure real change. For example, getting more resources for student groups. And Becca, you've been Vice President of Sport and Healthy Living for 2 years. What have you enjoyed most?
It has to be like the every day is different, so it's like even different within the day. So 1 hour I could be on a lake with our sailing club, the next I could be in a meeting with the Vice Chancellor, actually discussing value of students' voice within the university, and then the next thing I can be sat down back in the Bangor talking to a student group.
So historically, the UMCA president role and the 4 sabbatical officer roles have been completely separate, but this year the campaigning periods is all the same. What advice would you give to anybody that's considering standing for election?
Just enjoy the campaigning period. It can be really good fun. You get so much out of it. Like I was really nervous at public speaking when I first started, and the campaigning period really helped me develop those skills. Just run a really positive campaign and just get as much out of it. Talk to as many people as possible, because it's a really great way just to engage with people. Even if your campaign isn't successful, you can still get a lot out of it.
Nominations close on the 6th of February, so be sure to submit your manifestos and text for publicity by then. Mae Enwebiadau yn cael ar y 6ed o Chwefror, felly gwnewch yn siŵr eich bod yn gyrru'ch manifestos ar y geiriau rydych chi eisiau defnyddio ar gyfer cyhoeddusrwydd erbyn hynny.
This year there are 5 opportunities to run for sabbatical officer. They all have a slightly new twist, so take a look.
You might not be aware, but each of these positions receive just over £18,000 for the duration of their year in office. Efallai bod chi ddim yn ymwybodol, ond mae pob un rôl yn derbyn cyflog o just dros 18,000 am y flwyddyn.
Being a sabbatical officer is a great chance to enhance your CV and widen your skills. From negotiation, project planning, to teamwork, to even being the leader of a £1 million organisation, is a great chance to enhance your CV and really stand out for employers.
What are you waiting for? Do you think you can make change happen?
If you're a registered student, you're eligible to be a sabbatical officer. Whether you're undergraduate or postgraduate, regardless of your nationality, age, year of study.
No experience necessary. Check out the election guide and nominate yourself today.